What is 0.01% as a fraction in simplest form? We can rewrite percent means 1 over 100. So 0.01 times 1 over 100 multiply top number and bottom number. So 0.01 times 1 means this, then 100. 10, 100, these are power of 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left. How many places? 2 places, as we have 2 0 in the power of 10. 1 plus placeholder 0, 2 plus, yeah. So we are getting decimal 0001. Now we need to convert this decimal to fractions. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. 1 2 3 4, so write 410 as a multiplication. These three don't have any value. Now look, we need to reduce this fraction. So 1 has only one factor, which is 1. So the common factor between 1 and 10 will be always 1. So you have nothing to do, just multiply. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 equal to 1. 1 2 3 4 0. So this is the lowest term or reduced form.